Is your t-shirt feeling a little bit too tight in the arms? Watch this video and I'll show you how to make it just a little bit bigger. Hi there, my name's April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. I have one of my granddaughter's t-shirts here and she wants me to do a little something to it to make it fit her a little bit different. It's feeling a little bit tight on her, but it's her favorite t-shirt and she would like me to jazz it up a little bit. I told her I could do just that. Grab an old t-shirt and a few supplies and let's turn this t-shirt into something a little bit more fun. All I'm going to be using for this project is just a pair of scissors. This is a no-sew project. It's going to be really quick and simple. So the part that really bothers her are just the sleeves. They feel a little bit tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little something to make this feel a little bit more roomy for her. I asked her if she wanted me to turn this into a tank top and she wasn't quite ready for that. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to slice right here on top of the sleeve. Now I've got that wide opened. I'm going to do that to both sides. Bring that right to the seam. So I've made my slit and I'm just going to cut all of this excess off. Right at the seam. I'm going to do the same to both sides. Now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to pull. I don't want to pull so hard that I tear it, but I want to just stretch this out so it just starts to all roll. That's what's nice about knit. As soon as you pull on it, it rolls right up. I am just going to go ahead and I'm going to take the 2 points here at the top and I'm just going to tie them together. And I'm just going to put a little knot right there. And I'm going to pull really hard. So when she has this on, she'll have a little hole right here on her, just below her shoulder, just on her high arm. Look how adorable. And that's really good and tight, so that's not going anywhere. That's going to make this feel so much different on her arms. Just do the same to the other side. Grab the 2 tops here. You gotta kind of pull the bottom a little bit here and hold the tops and just pull really, really tight. And then pull the shirt itself like you're stretching it back out, but you want to make sure that knot is super tight, okay? That's going to be her arm, and then her shoulder will be right here. And you can see that that little hole is going to make this so cute. Now, I'm also going to just go ahead and give this 2 little slice marks right here in the seam. Very small ones. I don't want a whole lot showing here on her shoulder, but I'm just going to put 2 really small cuts. You want to be sure that it's spaced out the same amount. Go ahead and use a ruler. I'm just going to eyeball this, where I only want 2 slices and I want short slices. Maybe a little bit bigger than that. Yeah. So that's what that's going to look like. And I'm going to do the same to this side. I'm just making sure that the seam is all the way up to the top. And I'll give that a little cut and a little cut. She is going to absolutely love this. Here's her little slits here at the top. That'll be right here. And her armholes are a lot bigger being stretched like that. And her little holes at the top, the little slice marks, are just going to feel like this. She has much more room to move. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.